As we have seen in radiotherapy and medical tracers, radiation can be very useful, but can also be very harmful. So whenever we use radiation, we have to outweigh the risks against the benefits. For example, using medical tracers can help us diagnose diseases. So, it's generally worth the risk, if we are aware that the person might have a disease. However, we still want to minimize the risk by giving a low dose with a short half-life. When it comes to cancer treatment, radiotherapy can save a person's life, so it's generally worth the risk. Some people, however, still choose not to undergo radiotherapy if it will only extend their lives by a shorter period rather than treating it completely.